Have you ever tried to describe someone in English and suddenly your brain goes blank? You say, he is, normal. And everyone waits and you panic. Don't worry. Today we will fix that.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Thank you. And hello, beautiful English learners. Today is going to be fun, very fun, because we are talking about something you use almost every day.
Yes, today's topic is how to describe a person's appearance in English.
By the end of this episode, you will know simple, clear, natural English words to describe anyone, your friend, your teacher, your favorite actor, or even the person sitting next to you right now.
And you will sound confident, not confused, not shy. Confident.
So stay with us, and yes, stay till the end for a bonus tip that will make your description sound more natural.
Let's start.
First question. Why is describing someone important?
Good question. Imagine this. You are talking to your friend. You say, I met a guy yesterday. Your friend asks, oh really? What does he look like?
And you say, he is, normal? And everyone waits, and you panic. Don't worry. Today we will fix that.
And remember, we are using easy English, A2 to B1 level. Simple words, clear words.
And you can repeat after us. Yes, you. Don't just listen, speak.
Let's start with height. Very easy.
3 basic words. Tall, short, medium height.
Repeat after me. Tall.
Short.
Medium height.
Good. Now examples.
She is tall.
He is short.
My brother is medium height.
Easy, right?
But wait, many learners make one mistake.
They say, he has tall. No!
The correct version is, he is tall, not he has tall.
Good. Now let's make it more natural.
Instead of only tall, you can say, he is very tall.
Or, she is quite tall.
Or, he is a little short.
Try saying, she is very tall.
Good. Now say, he is a little short. Perfect.
Now let's talk about body build. This means body shape.
Some simple words, thin, slim, fat, overweight, muscular, fit.
Let's repeat together.
Thin,
Slim,
overweight,
muscular.
fit.
Now, small advice. Be careful with the word fat. Sometimes it sounds rude.
Yes, if you want to be polite, you can say overweight.
Or sometimes just don't mention weight at all.
Good point. Example sentences. He is slim.
She is very fit.
My uncle is a bit overweight.
That actor is muscular.
Now your turn. Describe someone famous in your mind. Say one sentence.
Say it out loud. Don't be shy.
Good job.
Okay, now hair. This is fun.
First, hair length. Short hair, long hair, medium length hair.
Repeat long hair.
Short hair.
Medium length hair.
Good. Now hair style. Curly, straight, wavy.
Say curly hair.
Straight hair.
Wavy hair.
Good. Now color. Black, brown, blonde, red, gray.
Example sentences.
She has long, straight brown hair.
He has short, curly hair.
My grandmother has gray hair.
Notice something important.
Yes, for hair we use has.
Exactly. We say she has long hair, not she is long hair.
Very important difference.
Let's practice.
Say, he has black hair.
Say she has curly hair.
Perfect.
Wait, quick challenge. Many learners mix this up.
Ready?
Is it correct? She is long hair?
No.
Correct version?
She has long hair.
Good. If you got it right, amazing. If not, don't worry. Now you know.
Now we talk about the face.
Eyes first. Big eyes, small eyes, blue eyes, brown eyes, green eyes.
Example, she has big brown eyes.
Repeat it.
She has big brown eyes.
Good. Now nose.
We can say big nose, small nose, long nose.
Example, he has a small nose.
Mouth and lips.
She has full lips.
He has thin lips.
Face shape. round face, oval face, square face.
She has a round face.
Easy and clear.
How about age?
You can say exact age. She is 25 years old.
Or general words, young, middle-aged, old.
He is young.
She is middle-aged.
That man is old.
Be polite when talking about age. Sometimes it is sensitive.
Yes, especially with women.
True.
Now let's build a full description.
Listen carefully.
She is tall and slim. She has long black hair and big blue eyes.
That sounds natural.
Another example.
He is medium height and muscular. He has short black hair and a round face.
Very good.
Notice the pattern.
Height plus body.
Then hair.
Then face details.
Simple order, easy to remember.
Let's do a mini role play.
Imagine this. Your friend lost his brother in a shopping mall.
He asks you, "What does your brother look like?"
You answer.
Okay, we help you.
Start with height.
He is.
Now body.
He is.
Now hair.
He has.
Now eyes.
He has.
Great. You just described someone.
See? Not scary.
Let's fix some common mistakes.
Mistake 1. Using is instead of has.
Wrong. She is blue eyes.
Correct. She has blue eyes.
Mistake number 2. No adjective order.
We say long black hair, not black long hair.
So remember, length first, then color.
Long black hair. Short brown hair.
Say it.
Long blonde hair.
Good.
Stay with us because in a few minutes we will give you one simple trick to sound more natural than most learners.
Yes, a bonus tip is coming.
Now let's make your English more natural.
You can use the word looks.
For example, she looks tired.
He looks friendly.
This is about appearance and feeling.
If someone is smiling, you can say, she looks happy.
If someone has angry eyes, he looks angry.
Try saying, she looks kind.
Good.
This sounds very natural in conversation.
Appearance is not only body and face.
Yes, clothes and style are important.
Casual style.
Formal style.
He usually wears jeans and a t-shirt.
She wears elegant dresses.
He wears glasses.
She is wearing a red jacket.
Notice is wearing for now, present action.
Very useful in real life.
Okay, let's review.
Number 1, use is for height and body.
Number 2, use has for hair and eyes.
Number 3, length before color. Long brown hair.
Number 4, you can use looks to describe feeling.
Number 5, keep sentences short and simple.
That's it.
Here is your bonus tip.
Instead of only physical words, add one personality word.
For example, she is tall and slim. She has long black hair and she's very friendly.
Now your description sounds warm and human.
Not like a robot.
Yes.
And remember, don't try to use big, difficult words.
Simple is powerful.
Practice every day.
Describe people around you.
Describe your teacher, your friend, even yourself in the mirror.
And tell us in the comments, describe one person using 3 sentences.
We would love to read them.
Next time, we will show you how to describe personality in English in a deeper way.
So don't miss it.
Keep speaking
Keep smiling.
and keep growing your English.
See you next time.